Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try to start uploading weekly at least, and so far for 2018 I am on the fast track for that. But today I wanted to do this blue kind of silvery eyeshadow look that was in one of my more recent Instagram photos, and everybody seemed to really like it and wanted to see how I created it, so this video will show you how I did that. Alright, so first when I put on my makeup, I take a little foundation and I just cover up my dark circles underneath my eyes. And now I'm taking my Naked 2 palette and I'm just using like a matte light brown color and putting it all over my eyes so that the blue doesn't stick anywhere weird. Next, I'm taking this bright blue color and then I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and then blend it up towards my eyebrow. And now I'm going to just lightly put a little bit underneath my eye as well. And then I am using this big fluffy brush and I'm just kind of fanning everything out so that the lines don't look as harsh. And the Naked 2 palette again, this time I'm using the kind of silver and gray shimmery colors. And I'm just going to kind of like tap it all over the blue. And then I'm taking more blue because it kind of like made it less vibrant, I guess. So, you know, we're just gonna go fix that. And now a little more of the lighter silver color. Now I'm using some gel liner from L'Oreal. It's the bomb. And next I'm just going to kind of line my upper lash line with the gel liner. I'm not going to like wing it out or anything, I'm just going to kind of make it look natural, I guess. Alright, now I'm just kind of making the wings go out a little bit like Twiggies do, but just not as dramatic. And now I'm going to use the remaining product on my brush and line my lower lash line with that. Now I know that this is kind of like unnecessary, but I take a liquid liner then and really get super close to my lashes so that there's not any eyeshadow showing between my eyeliner and my lash line. Now I have this eyeshadow pencil from CoverGirl and I'm just going to go across my waterline with it to make my eyes look bigger, and I also use a little bit in the corner of my eye. And now you can curl your lashes if you'd like to. I don't always. And now I'm going to use some mascara. This one I got by accident actually. It's waterproof and that actually means it's everything proof. So this never comes off, in case you're wondering. I've also cut some fake eyelashes in half and just put those on. Now blush, and I do use two colors usually. I like a lot of blush. First I put the lighter pink on and fan it out like quite a bit. I love blush. I use it to contour and I just feel like it looks better on me than actually contouring. So we put a little on the nose too. And then on my forehead. And on my chin. So yeah, literally everywhere. And then I take the brighter like pink and I put it on my cheeks. more concentrated though, like in a smaller area. On my nose again. And then I take a big fluffy brush that I'd normally put powder on with, and I powder my whole face. And ta-da! That's it! We're done!